So this is my new rocket stove. It's the, I guess the tilting feed design. I saw a guy on the internet doing one with a metal door, so I've taken his concept and just put a glass door on it so I can see the flames. I think the angled design lends itself well to seeing the flames because it's sort of sitting low but tilted up looking at you. Getting a nice clean burn at the moment. It's cranking in there. At the moment, the main air supply is under the door here. Under the door is a gap, and then that's so sharp. Then we got the bricks. The bricks are. Let's see if I can get it shut. Oh, there we go. There's holes where the bricks are sitting, and there's a good glow down there. Those bricks stop. That one stops them going further, so they're feeding air in under here, and there's a little ash pit there, so they won't get blocked. I can see my concrete brick has cracked there, so I'll have to use something a bit better there. So this is just a trial, and I'm just it's my third go. I did a more conventional J shape over there. I've since dismantled that, pulled the bricks apart. I did a barrel batch feed one over there. Couldn't get a clean, strong burn from either of them. This one I'd set up in, must have been 20 minutes. Just used a bit of cob there on the chimney, and it's going great. Really clean burn. You can see the heat coming off. One thing I do want to try is setting up the air feed like pea patty. I think what I'll do is probably unplug those bricks and then put a baffle in down the side so that the air comes up, a metal baffle, gets preheated, and then comes around there. And I'm hoping what that'll do is stop the logs from igniting all at once. Because at the moment here we've got a great burn, but the whole piece of wood is burning, and I want it to burn longer and not as hot so quickly. I mean, I'm pretty happy with that, but to me a rocket stove's where you're burning the ends of the wood, and that gives, it's only the length of time that I want. I tried lighting this up just with like broken bits of fence board. I got it as full as I could, and it smoked a lot to start with because they were quite wet anyway. So I'll have to do a trial where the wood's not wet, and they're quite thin, I guess. But that only lasts about 45 minutes to burn out. So I've got no problems about it heating. I'm going to attach a pizza oven to the top of this and a hot plate. Got no problems about it heating the hot plate and the pizza oven. Puts out a lot of heat. there were flames coming out the chimney before, coming up to about here. There's no way I could hold my hand above it. So no worries about the heat. I do want to put a Vortex. It's one that P. Paddy used, but he got it off another guy. The ellipse cut in half, and anyway, I'll put that in and make another video and put in the plates. I think I'll just use some masonite to start with, just to save messing around too much with metal. Happy to do the metal on the final part. The other thing about the baffles coming out the side, that'll allow me to make the burn chamber a bit wider to bring the bricks out, and that'll just hopefully bring them in line with the edge of the window, because at the moment it looks a bit funny. Just using an old oven door off a wood-fired oven, which I don't know if you can see over there. Over there, there's an old stove here, and I'm thinking about cutting this up into panels and using them for the various parts. It's so thick, it's really thick. But this one's just a rusted out box. I was tempted to use it, but as a burn chamber, my main reservation there was there's a fair bit of, oh, it's not too bad actually. So just a bit of stuff in the way there. If I had an oxywell, I might be able to cut that out, but it's so thick. Maybe a project for later. And I can do the yeah, forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, I can do the same concept, leaning back. Anyway, I think that baby will breathe fire one more time before I'm done. If I don't cut it up, because I need a few metal plates for this one. I need a good metal plate across the top. I'm going to steal the chimney outlet for along the back. The other thing this one's got is a bit of an air feed in here. Yeah, there you go. You can see that. It's creeping in through there. I didn't mean to do that, but and I don't know if it's helping. So I might do some experiments later to block it up and see if it makes any difference. What was the other thing? So yeah, metal plate along the top. Might get some fire bricks on the bottom. Oh, that's right, metal plate along the bottom here, where I've just got a bit of masonite at the moment, just for a temporary thing, and that's just to stop the air coming straight up into there. I want it to go down into those feeds there. So when I put the baffles on, I might just make that the main air feed, and then try blocking these and seeing whether, because the way I see it, that they're just supplementing the burn at the end. But I don't want the oxygen to be rich down there and to come back up and burn the whole log. I'm wanting to try and create the suck from the top and get the logs to burn from the base. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. I'll make another video when I've done that. But there it is, burning away. Thanks. Cheers for watching.